What's up, my dudes? Welcome in Kuala Lumpur or Malaysia. I will meet up with Jerald, the owner of Futurespeed. Wrong line. Let me check where to go. And Jerald and his friend told me they would give me a 50-kilometer city tour. They supply me with a Begode T4 V2, which is exactly what I have at home. And it's just, I don't know, super nice just being on the other side of the world, getting a T4. So I'm super excited about the city tour. 50 kilometers on the T4 should be doable, is doable in the city for sure. Oh guys, sometimes I just forget about the left lane traffic in Malaysia. Anyways, I just wanted to quickly talk about the laws in Malaysia regarding EUCs. It's technically not allowed, but as I understood, it's tolerated, unlike other countries like Switzerland, Germany, Netherlands, or whatever. So you don't have an insurance if anything happens, which is definitely a bummer, but you can ride around on your own risk, which is at least, I don't know, for me a really nice thing. On my rides through KL and the suburbs, I did see quite a lot of police. They saw us as well. I guess we didn't hide or anything, but they just let us do our thing. And I obviously talked to the guys in Malaysia and they said it's not legal, but it's fine. And they brought me to all these really nice spots. It was really amazing. Absolute legends.
So the staircase here are crazy. When we first learned how to go up this here.
Can we ready? 2 and 1.
Very good.
Fun fact, these are actually made for EUCs.
Going down.
Good morning, my dudes. It's almost 7 a.m. Didn't sleep a lot, but today we will go off-roading in Malaysia. I'm still a little tired, but I think this will be pretty amazing. And Marcus is about to pick me up with his Sherman or with his car. Jerald was so nice and lent me the T4. He actually sent it to me yesterday night. Absolutely amazing guy. So let's go. This thing never works. Would you help me? So we got the V12 high torque. There were already some monkeys, but I think they're gone right now. We got Marcus with the Sherman, Razor with the Commander Pro. I've never tried it, so I'm excited to maybe try this. And the T4. And I think Sean is coming with the S22. I'm not sure yet, but it's really sick, and it is 8:17 right now. So let's start in the morning. So we are actually not off-roading today. I'm sorry I don't use the mic right now. We will just go around and riding through the jungle. Pretty amazing. There are monkeys everywhere. Not need the charger. We are at 75% right now, and we have done so far 9.5 kilometers. They said it would be a 50-kilometer ride. We might ride a little less than 50 kilometers. I hope so, because I didn't bring the charger in my backpack. I left it in the car. So let's hope for the best. Going down, my watch tells me I have 72%, which is quite good. How my friend always likes to say, going downwards is for free. So we just reached 27.5 kilometers and I have 55% left. We should be there soon. The track has a lot of up and downs. It's really beautiful, but I'm not going over 38, 40 up. I obviously just go like 25, so it's kind of maxing out the T4 right now. Didn't expect that to happen today. People are super friendly. I can definitely recommend you to go to Malaysia and just ride EUC around. It's pretty fun. I think we made it. A lot of bikers around. What's up? What's your name?
Ken.
Okay.
Ken.
Ken. Pete. Nice to meet you. 57.
57. Boleh kan? Tourist traditionally downhill. So, park mana? Sini boleh?
So you got the EXN here.
Huh? Jerald.
Because my T4's battery is at 55%, I will take the EXN to go to the goat farm of this shop, and they do everything with goat milk. He will show me. And this is your safety gear?
Huh?
This is your safety gear?
Yes. Only protect your toe. Your toe is precious.
So we are actually quite far out of KL. I don't know, like 50 kilometers or 70, 80, I don't know. And you are just like in the smallest village with like, I don't know, 1,000, 2,000 people living. And there are people riding EUC. I don't know, I'm pretty impressed. I think we almost reached the farm. Oh yes, there are the goats for my chocolate. Hello. Hello. escape.
It's okay.
This is the milk farm of him and his family. Everyone is riding seated here, it's crazy. Like even him on the RS. I just saw you sitting.
Yes.
It's easy for you to.
Yeah, because my leg is very short, you know. I can flat, you know. Flat footed.
Nice.
Only protect your toe.
I really hope you can understand me. I've done 29 kilometers. We are on the way back and I have riding 55% right now. Standing it was at 62 and it is more downhill than uphill. So they say I can have a little bit of fun while riding. Let's hope that that is true and let's go. So the next trouble we have, at least that's my opinion, I didn't talk to the others, the clouds look quite dark. We will see about that, if it will start raining. When it rains over here, it rains really hard. Let's hope for the best. So they consider this as light rain. So we will continue. I just hope I won't break the T4. This is not light rain, this is raining. Okay, I think that's it with slightly drizzling rain. This is like proper rain, shit. Like a lot. Like a lot. I don't know what to do. Shit! This escalated quickly. Yeah, that's proper raining. So we are resting at the petrol station now to get some gasoline. No, I got some tissues. I kind of managed to not cut off or anything. The rain has stopped, so we will continue our journey. And hopefully not getting killed. Take a look at the monkeys. So I think I'm on this last high incline mountain and I'm at 16% and I was at 37 just 1 kilometer ago. 15%. This will be interesting. So now it's mostly downhill or just downhill. We are back to 32%. This is more than half than I had before, so it's constantly fluctuating quite a lot. So things look good. Yes, we almost made it. 59 kilometers, 17% left. Yeah, it's not a great long range reel, it's an off-road reel. I hope I didn't destroy any bearings or anything else with the water. Thank you so much Futurespeed or Jerald for borrowing me the wheel. Yeah, amazing. I hope you learned something. I don't know if you learned something today, but I hope it was entertaining today. And I just hope you are excited for the next video. this is the result of the fender of the mudguard of the T4.